Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa inyo mga kapatid. I would like to share sa inyo yung Jeremiah 29:11. Sabi doon, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, to prosper you, not to harm you, to give you hope and future." Alam niyo ba itong word na ito, no, ibinigay po ito sa mga Israelita. But this word given to them, pero under sila ng matinding pressure because they were captured. Kaya sabi sa kanila, you are there for 70 years. Mag-asawa kayo, mamuhay kayo dyan, magtrabaho kayo, dyan kayo manirahan, hali magpakabait kayo dyan, sabi ng Biblia. Pero alam nyo ang mabigat? Sabi ng Lord, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, to prosper you, not to harm you, but to give you hope and future." Pero alam nyo mga kapatid, ang mabigat sa lahat, they were captives for 70 years. Pero mo sabi ng Diyos, "Lord, sabi mo, you have the plans for us. For I know the plans I have for you." May plano ka sa amin. Dineclare mo, give us hope, give us future. But you want us to stay here for 70 years? Alam nyo mga kapatid, pag gusto pong parusahan ng Diyos ang bansa, magbibigay siya ng masamang leader. Tignan nyo, nandun po sila sa Israel. No, it is a promised land. Ito yung pinangako ng Diyos na give them a land of full of milk and honey. Pero binihag sila roon ng Nebuchadnezzar. Pero promised land yon. Mga kapatid, it's not about, bakit sila nabihag? It's not about dahil nandun sila sa geographical location na pinagpalaan ng Diyos. No? It's not about that. It's about their spiritual condition. Parang sa atin din, nasa simbahan tayo, pero bakit dumadanas tayo ng mga sufferings, problema, or maybe dumadanas tayo ng pagsubok na pagtutuwid ng Diyos, pagdisiplina ng Diyos. Not about the geographical condition, but about the condition of the heart. Na muli pa mga kapatid, binigay po ang Jeremiah 29:11, hallelujah, not for us, but to us, para maunawaan natin ang gusto iparating ng Lord. Anyway po, lahat po na nangyayari sa atin, God has a plan, God has a purpose, pero we have to accept the process. Muli po, ito si Pastor Al ng Shepherd Staff. God bless you all po.